Okay, so share ko sa inyo 'to guys 'no, kung paano natin guys ayusin ang Facebook account natin guys na, nagkaroon guys ng enter login code to continue. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo guys 'no. So punta tayo dito guys sa ating, Google Chrome browser natin. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung lumalabas dito guys 'no kapag, nilagay natin guys yung email natin at yung, password natin. So wait lang guys 'no, ilagay ko muna guys yung, email ko at yung password ko guys. So maglagay muna tayo. Yan. So sa akin guys nalagay ko na guys 'no. So ngayon guys i-login natin guys 'no. Titignan natin guys kung ano yung lalabas guys 'no. So click natin guys yung login. Yan. So wait lang natin guys 'no. Yan. So ito yung lumabas guys 'no. So okay naman guys yung ating okay naman guys yung email natin at yung password natin guys. Pero yung lumalabas na ito guys ay ito yung lumalabas guys 'no. Enter login to continue. It looks like you have login from this browser before. So please enter the login code from your phone below. So meron silang note dito. Note, your text message may take a few minutes to arrive. So sabi nila dito guys sa note na ito guys ay pinadalan tayo guys ng 6-digit code sa ating SIM card guys. Ang problema guys ay wala na tayong access sa ating SIM card guys. So no problem guys no, gagawa natin yan guys ng paraan guys. So yung mga ganitong issue kasi guys, minsan yung ating Facebook account guys, yung Facebook account natin guys ay nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication guys, or na-on natin guys yung security na two-factor authentication code guys. Kaya ito yung ganito yung nangyayari guys noon. Lumalabas guys tuwing naglalagin tayo guys, lumalabas guys itong enter login code to continue guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys para ma-fix natin guys yung problem na ito guys ay i-click lang natin guys no. I-click natin guys dito guys yung having trouble guys. So dahil nga wala tayong access sa ating email at wala na rin tayong access sa ating phone number ay i-click natin guys yung having trouble guys. At minsan guys ay ang phone natin guys bago na rin guys no. So wala na rin tayong access sa dati nating device guys no. So ang gawin natin dito guys, i-click natin guys yung having trouble guys. So click natin having trouble. Yan, so pagka-click natin guys ng having trouble guys, dito guys cannot get your code. So tinatanong tayo dito guys kung meron tayong access dito guys sa approve from another device guys. Okay. So dito guys sa approve from another device guys. So halimbawa guys, meron kang Facebook account guys na na-open mo doon sa kabilang phone mo or na-open mo ngayon. Halimbawa sa computer or sa phone ngayon. So pwede natin guys i-click guys yung approve from another device guys. So magpapadala din sila guys ng notification guys no sa naka-open natin guys na Facebook account ngayon guys, at yung halimbawa computer natin guys, naka-open yung Facebook account natin guys. So pwede natin guys ma-approve from another device guys. Pero yung problema natin dito guys ay wala na tayo guys na wala na tayong access sa ating Facebook account guys. So hindi na rin naka-open sa ibang device or sa ibang computer guys no. So ang gagawin natin dito guys, i-click naman natin dito guys. So wait lang pala guys no, ito naman guys yung send me a text message with my login code. So dito guys sa send me a text message with my login code guys. So halimbawa guys, kung active sana guys yung SIM card natin guys na gagamit natin guys, ay pwede natin makuha guys yung login code guys sa ating number guys no. Ang problema dito guys ay wala na rin tayong access sa ating SIM card natin guys. Okay? So kaya yung gagawin natin dito guys, i-click lang natin guys yung I don't have my phone. So dahil nga wala na tayong access sa dalawa na ito guys, dito sa approve from another device at dito sa send me a text message with my login code. So dahil wala na tayong access diyan sa dalawa na yan, i-click natin guys yung I don't have my phone guys. So click natin guys yung I don't have my phone. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng I don't have my phone guys, i-click natin guys itong continue na ito guys no. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng continue guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys no. If you don't have your phone. So sabi nila dito, if you don't have your phone, you can log in from unknown browser, contact us. So dahil nga guys wala na tayong access sa ating SIM card at email, so halos lahat guys ay wala guys no. So halos guys ay wala na tayong access sa lahat guys no. So wala na rin tayong access sa dati nating phone, Ang gagawin natin dito guys, i-click natin dito guys yung contact us na ito guys no. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng contact us na ito, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So wait lang natin guys. Yan. So ito yung lumabas guys, no. We'll walk you through a few steps. To help confirm your identity, please provide the following information. So dito guys, kailangan natin masunod dito guys yung step 1 na ito guys at yung step 2 na ito guys. Yung step 1 na ito, enter an email address guys para ma-access natin guys or ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin. At yung pangalawang step na ito guys ay kailangan natin dito guys ng valid IDs natin guys. Yan. So ito yung step 2 na ito tsaka yung step 1 na ito. So kailangan masunod natin yan guys para mabigyan tayo guys ng access sa ating Facebook account. Okay? So sabi nila dito sa step 1, we'll use this address to send you message about recovering your account guys. So kailangan lang natin dito guys sa step 1 guys ay kailangan natin guys ng active email guys. So active email na bubuksan natin, nakaka-receive ng email para diyan magsisend guys ng code yung Facebook team na yung Facebook team guys. Okay? So next naman tayo dito guys sa step 2 na ito guys. So dito sa step 2 dito guys sabi nila will use your official ID to help confirm you who you are. It won't be shared on your profile. So dito guys kailangan nila guys ma-confirm yung ma-confirm yung valid IDs natin guys para mabigyan tayo guys ng access sa ating Facebook account guys. Okay? So ngayon guys ay papakita ko sa inyo guys, no, kung paano natin i-recover yung Facebook account natin na ito guys. So ang gawin natin dito, susundan lang natin, click natin guys yung next. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng next na ito guys ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. How can we reach you guys? So sabi nila dito sa how can we reach you, enter your email address, will send you a code to verify that you can access it. You'll then be able to get updates about confirming your identity. If your identity is successful, confirm will add this email address to your Facebook account. Okay, so sabi na nga nila guys, kapag ma-confirm daw nila guys yung identity natin guys ay i-add nila guys yung bagong email natin na ginawa or nilagay natin dito guys. So kailangan natin dito guys ng active email guys para kapag ma-confirm nila guys yung yung email natin guys ay papadalan tayo dito guys ng recovery code guys. So sa akin guys ilalagay ko na dito guys no yung email ko guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys no. Yan, so sa akin ito lang yung ilalagay ko guys no. So yung email ko na ito guys ay active ito siya guys no, nabubuksan ito guys at nakaka-receive ito guys ng email guys kahit sang email guys. So kailangan lang natin guys ng active email guys para ma-receive natin guys yung recovery code ng Facebook team guys. Okay? So i-click natin guys yung send code. Yan. So wait lang guys, nung papaliwanag ko pala sa inyo guys no, see how can we reach you guys. So see how can we reach you guys ay isa sa mga pinaka-the best na paraan kung paano natin ma-recover nating Facebook account. Okay? So i-click natin guys yung send code. Susundan lang natin yan. So enter confirmation code, we send confirmation code to email address you provided. So dahil nakagawa na ako guys ng active ko guys na Gmail guys ay magsisend sila guys ng code guys no or 6 digit code guys. So pupunta muna tayo guys sa ating Gmail. So ito yung bagong ginawa kong Gmail guys no or Gmail account guys. So dahil wala na akong access sa dati kong Gmail guys kaya pinalitan ko siya guys ng bagong Gmail guys. So i-click natin guys yung Gmail natin. Yan. So wait lang guys no. Yan. So papakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. So ito na yung nakaka-receive ko guys na Gmail account ko guys. So ito yung sininila sa akin guys no ng Facebook team guys. Yan. So click natin yan. Yan. So your email confirmation code. Use this code to verify your email address on Facebook. Hi Michael John, to make sure we cannot contact you after we review your ID, we need to verify your email address. So kailangan lang natin guys i-confirm ito guys yung 6 digit code na sininila sa atin guys no para ma-access natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. Okay? So i-copy ko lang siya. Yan, copy ko lang. So tuturuan ko kayo guys no kung paano guys i-copy ito guys no. So i-hold lang natin to 1 2 3 4 5 at lalabas guys yung copy na ito. So click lang natin guys yung copy na yon. Yan. So click lang natin yung copy. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng copy, balik tayo doon sa ating Google Chrome browser guys na nagre-recover tayo guys ng Facebook account natin. Yan. So ngayon guys, i-confirm natin dito guys yung pinadala nila guys na email guys. na tayo mismo yung nagre-recover ng ating Facebook account. So, i-paste natin. Yan. So, okay na siya guys, no? Na-paste natin, nalagay na natin dito. So, pwede na nilang i-verify yung bagong email na dinagdag natin sa ating Facebook account. So, click natin guys yung next. Yan. So, pagka-click natin guys ng next guys, maglo-loading yan siya guys, no? So, wait lang natin guys. So, dito guys ay choose type of ID to upload. So, dito guys, pinapasubmit tayo guys ng valid IDs natin. So, sinasabi ko naman sa inyo guys, no, ito na guys yung step 2 na ito guys. So, dito sa step 2 na ito, meron kayong pagpipilian dito na IDs guys, no. So, passport, driver's license, national ID card, marriage certificate, official name change paperwork, green card, residence permit or immigration papers, tribal identification or status card, voter ID, family certificate, visa, national age card, immigration registration card, tax identification card. So dito guys, dito may pagpipilian tayo guys na pwede nating isubmit guys na ID guys. So papakita ko lang sa inyo guys, no, kung paano ko i-recover yung Facebook account ko guys dito sa issue na ito guys na enter login code to continue guys. So ang gagamitin ko dito guys, dahil meron naman akong driver's license, so driver's license yung gagamitin ko guys, no. So kapag wala kayong driver's license guys, ay mamili kayo sa ibang available na IDs guys na sinasuggest nila guys. So yung gagamitin ko dito guys, driver's license. So click ko lang guys yung driver's license na ito, yung bilog na ito, yan. Tapos i-click ko lang guys yung next na ito. Yan, so click natin guys yung next. Yan. So wait lang guys, no. Yan, so naglo-loading na siya guys. So dito guys ay hinihingi sa atin guys yung valid IDs natin guys. So para makapag-send tayo guys ng ID natin dito guys, i-click lang natin to guys yung browse photos na ito guys, yung, or yung plus na ito guys sa gitna na ito, yan. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng plus na yan guys, so pwede tayong maka-camera or pwede tayong makapag-browse sa ating gallery natin guys, no. So sa akin kasi guys ay meron na akong napicturean dito guys na ID ko guys. So kailangan pala guys sa ID guys, dapat nakikita yung 4 layers ng ID guys, no, at hindi malabo guys at hindi expire yung ID guys para madali tayong ma-verify guys, no. So ngayon guys, isi-send ko na guys yung valid IDs ko guys. So ito sa akin guys, no, ito yung valid IDs ko guys. Yan, so i-select ko lang yan siya guys, tapos mapupunta na yun siya guys, automatic mag-upload yun siya guys, no. So click ko lang yan, tapos click ko lang yung done. Yan, so automatic mag-upload din yun siya guys, no. So yan, so yan yung ID ko guys na isi-send sa kanila guys, no. So driver's license guys. Okay? So make sure nyo guys na pag-picture nyo guys ng ID ninyo, or bago pa lang kayo mag-picture ng ID ninyo, ay make sure guys ay nakikita guys yung 4 layers ng valid IDs natin guys, at hindi malabo at hindi expire yung ID natin guys, no. So ngayon guys, i-click natin guys yung submit na ito. Yan, so click natin yung submit. Yan, so submit din siya guys, no. So wait lang natin guys. So pagka-click natin guys ng submit guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So wait lang natin guys, naglo-loading siya guys, no. So yan siya guys, no. So ito yung lumabas guys, no. Thank you for submitting your information. We usually review IDs within 24 hours. So wala naman 24 hours guys, no, kasi dati nagre-recover din ako ng Facebook account guys, ay hindi naman guys umabot ng 24 hours guys, no. Siguro mga ano lang natin guys, mga 3 minutes yan. Meron na yan silang email sa atin or isi-send guys na link guys para i-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. Okay? So wait na lang natin guys yung yung email ng Facebook team sa ating Gmail account. So click lang natin guys yung finish na yan. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, no. Yan. Tapos click natin guys yung, so wait lang guys. Yan. So click natin yung finish. Yan. So wait na lang natin guys, no, yung email nila guys sa ating Gmail account natin guys, na bagong ginawang Gmail account. Yan. So wait lang guys. So mga ano niyan guys, mga 3 minutes lang guys, no. Yan. So wait na lang natin dito guys yung sisend nila guys na email guys. Siguro mga 3 minutes guys, no. Hindi naman 24 hours kasi madali silang mag-review guys, no. Kasi nakaraan guys, siguro mga 3 minutes din yun siya guys, no, bago dumating yung email sa akin. So wait na lang natin guys. Yan. So ito na siya guys, no. Facebook. You can now get back into your Facebook. Yan. Ito na siya guys, no. Ito yung bagong asinin sa atin guys, no. Siguro wala namang ano guys, no. Wala nga 3 minutes guys. Yan. Siguro mga ano lang, mga 2 minutes. Parang hindi ata umabot ng 2 minutes eh. Yan. So ito yun siya guys, no, yung bagong sinin sa atin guys na email guys para i-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. Ngayon guys, i-click natin yan. So papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. Yan. So you can now get back into your account. Yan. So hi Michael John, thank you for confirming your identity. You can click the button below to get back into your account. You two-factor authentication turned on. This means you will be asked to enter authentication code within try to access your Facebook account from a new computer or mobile device. To make sure it's you can learn more about managing your two-factor authentication settings, security feature and tips. Yan. So dahil nga guys ay naka-on guys pala yung two-factor authentication ko guys, ay nagkakaroon tayo guys kapag nag-login tayo guys ng enter login code to continue guys para sa ating Facebook account security guys. So okay naman siya guys, no. So maganda ngayon siya guys, meron tayong guys, no, meron tayong security guys sa ating Facebook account guys. Hindi basta-basta nabubuksan guys, no. So ang problema lang dito guys, kapag nawala yung access natin guys, ay ito yung gagawin natin guys, no. Ito yung gagawin nating steps guys para mabalik tayo guys sa ating Facebook account guys. Okay? So ito siya guys, no. Meron dito guys sa baba guys, meron silang binigay dito guys na code. Pwede natin siyang gamitin bilang password guys. Okay? So dito naman guys ay meron naman silang binigay dito guys na link guys para ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. So ito yung mas madali guys, no. Yung binigay nila guys na code para gawin nating password guys. Okay? So papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. So pwede rin natin gamitin ito yung link na binigay nila. So sabi nila dito, your unlock code and link will expire on February 17, 2024 at 2:23 PM. So please log into your account before that. Yan, so may expiration guys, no. So ito guys, gagamitin natin guys, no. Try natin guys yung you can also go to Facebook and use this code as your password. So i-copy ko lang ito guys, yung binigay nila guys na code. So gagamitin natin to bilang password guys, no. So back tayo guys. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo guys, no, kung paano natin guys recover na yung Facebook account natin guys sa enter login code to continue guys. Yan. So papakita ko sa inyo guys. So yung binigay guys na code guys na bilang password, so gagamitin natin yan guys. Yan. So yan siya guys, no. So ngayon guys, ilalagin ko na guys yung Facebook account natin guys. Titignan natin guys kung ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys, no. So click natin guys yung login na ito. Yan. So wait lang natin. So yan siya guys, no. So hindi tinanggap guys yung binigay guys na code guys, no. So okay naman siya guys, no, dahil naka-verify na guys yung Gmail account natin guys. So pwede natin yung makapag-send guys via code sa ating ginawang bagong Gmail guys na ito guys. Okay? So ngayon guys, back tayo doon ulit guys. So hindi nila tinanggap guys yung binigay nila guys. Yan, so back tayo doon ulit guys sa ating Gmail. Yan. So ngayon guys, i-access natin guys yung get back into your account guys, no. Yan yung link na ito guys. Yan. So try natin ito guys. So hindi gumana guys, no. So hindi siya gumana. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng link na ito guys, remember password. If you save this password, you will have to enter a code within login from this browser again. So mas maganda dito guys ay save natin guys, no, para hindi na tayo guys hindi na tayo magkaroon guys ng problem guys, or hindi na tayo guys, no, hindi na tayo mahirapan guys. So click natin guys yung continue, try natin yan. Yan, so continue natin guys. Yan, so confirm access to your phone, your login codes are sent to 09. Do you still have access to this number? So sabihin natin wala guys, no. So i-click natin guys yung no guys. So dahil wala natin yung guys access guys sa ating number, so click natin guys yung no. Yan, so meron sila dito ng guys, no, suggest guys, your account is unlocked. You can now use your account. Please add a phone number to receive login approvals in the future guys. So dito guys, pwede tayo makapag-add guys ng number guys, no, ng bagong number natin guys. Yan, so kahit hindi na tayo guys, no, hindi na tayo mag-add ng number kasi na-verify na rin yung Gmail account natin na bago. Yan, so dito naman guys ay sinasuggest nila guys na i-turn off natin guys yung two-factor authentication guys. So try natin ito guys, no, i-turn off yung two-factor authentication na ito. Yan, so try natin yan. Yan. Two-factor authentication off. We want ask for login code when someone logs into your account from an unsafe device or browser. You can turn on two-factor authentication again in your security settings. So, click lang natin guys yung okay na ito guys. Yan. So, click natin guys yung okay. So, yan siya guys, no? So, automatic guys ay nakalagin na tayo guys sa ating Facebook account natin guys. So, pwede tayong i-add natin guys yung number natin dito guys, yung bagong number natin, or pwede tayong mag-add ng bagong email natin guys. Pero yung bagong email natin guys ay okay naman siya guys, no? Na-verify na rin siya guys. So, click natin guys yung settings kung gusto nyong i-turn on ulit guys yung two-factor authentication niyo guys. Yan, click lang natin guys yung account center na ito. Yan. So, ganun lang siya guys, no? Ganun lang kadali guys kung paano natin i-recover guys yung Facebook account natin guys. Yan. So, password and security guys. Yan. Yan. So, tignan nyo guys yung two-factor authentication natin guys. Yan. So, kung gusto nyo i-on, so pwede siya guys, no? Yan. So, wait lang natin guys. Yan. So, magsasend muna siya guys ng login code sa ating Gmail account guys. Bago natin guys i-turn on guys yung two-factor authentication natin guys. So, okay na siya guys, no? Nabuksan na natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. So, ganyan lang kadali guys, no? Kung paano natin guys i-recover yung Facebook account natin guys. Okay? Sa pag-recover kasi guys ng Facebook account guys, ang pinakakailangan natin guys ay yung identity at yung IDs natin para ma-enable natin guys yung ating Facebook account. So, kailangan natin yung identity natin para ma-verify nila guys yung ating Facebook account guys. Okay? Hindi lang ito guys about sa enter-login code to continue, kundi sa lahat ng nagre-recover ng kanilang Facebook account katulad ng na-hack, na-lock, forgot password, two-factor authentication, at iba't ibang issue sa ating Facebook account about sa Facebook account recovery guys. Okay? So, I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin guys. So, maraming salamat sa panonood guys, no? And God bless sa lahat guys.